Hazel. Waffles, come on. Come on, girls. Look what I have. Come on. Come on, girls. Hey, you came out last night. Come on, girls. Ah, here she comes. See how it's completely empty up there by the shed. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. It was easier today.
The Colorado Blue Spruce. The Colorado Blue Spruce can be an elegant looking plant if planted in the correct spot. It is native to the Rocky Mountain area and sometimes has difficulties being transplanted and being established in the Northeast. With blue spruce, the image comes to mind of a very light blue, beautiful looking plant, whereas in reality, not all blue spruces are the same. Blue spruce, the native, is done by seeds. So every blue spruce is a little bit different in color. Some might be a little bit greener while some might be a little bit bluer. To ensure that you have a nice blue colored blue spruce, you should try to buy plants that are named such as Baby Blue Eyes or Fat Alberts, to ensure that you have a very nice color. Sometimes growers sort out the seedlings when they're young and select ones that have a bluer tint to them to ensure that when they grow up that they have nice colored blue spruce. Regardless of the blue spruce that you get, the straight species blue spruce grows 30 to 50 foot tall depending on the location that it's at. It prefers moist, well-drained soil. It is best in full sun. The spacing you should plant them at is about 8 to 10 foot apart from one another. They do make fairly good screens and windbreaks. The blue spruce is an excellent plant. However, when compared to the Norway spruce, it is a much slower growing and denser plant. Both trees do need full sun. However, the Norway spruce does grow much faster. Blue spruce can be nice for ornamental spots, especially if you get nice blue colored ones. And if you'd like to order some, just give us a call. Thank you. Bye.